Hi, this is David from Smartworld. We're in a Zeekr 7X 2026, and of course this car doesn't have any multimedia video, Netflix, YouTube, but we're going to enable any video streaming for Netflix, YouTube, Kayo, any app you want with the Smartworld WS wireless Android, a wireless CarPlay adapter. So this device connects like a wireless CarPlay phone, and it's very easy to use, just need power. So we're going to plug it into the USB port of the car. So there we go, we have the car with two ports. We're just going to plug it in one of the ports. Here we go, it's connected. We're just going to wait for the device to have some power, and there we go. So the device we are set it up already, and it's going to connect as a Apple CarPlay adapter. You don't need to do this right now because the device is going to automatically connect, and once connected it will show you all the different options for you to download any app like Netflix, YouTube, wireless CarPlay, Netflix, YouTube, Kayo, etc., and then Disney, etc. So just click yes, and this is the interface. We're gonna make it a little bit bigger. And for example, you want to watch, so the first thing you do is you turn on hotspot on your mobile phone. You come here and you connect with your mobile phone hotspot. It's already connected, and then you go into the main screen, go to YouTube, and we're just gonna start watching a video in seconds. Here we go. Let's go to the main screen. We can do a search. And right now we're connected with a mobile hotspot. We can turn on the volume on the car.
And this is Revolut Business.
Make this bigger.
Ready with fast global payments in over 30
And the sound is coming through the car speakers.
Simple spend controls.
Very easy, very simple.
Expense processes.
So I'm gonna skip this and start watching the video. So we're gonna watch now a little bit of Netflix. So Netflix account, you just simply sign in with your Netflix account, and then I'm just gonna watch any of the programs we have here. This one, and play. And you have now Netflix running on your Zeekr 7X. And of course, if you go to the main screen, you have access to Play Store, so you can install any app you want from Play Store. And this one we're just gonna make it smaller and close it. So any app you want, Netflix, Disney, Kayo, in your Zeekr, no issues, just connecting your device as a wireless CarPlay device and ready to go. And if you want to find more solutions for Zeekr, just go to smartworldcompany.com, smartworldcompany.com.au.